Universal remotes use numerical codes to communicate with your Pixel TV. These codes are typically 2 to 5 digits long and tell the remote how to send the correct signals to control your television. To find the correct code for your Pixel TV, you have several options. First, check your Universal Remotes manual, which typically contains a comprehensive list of codes organized by TV brand. You can also find codes on the manufacturer's website or use the code search function built into some Universal remotes. The most common programming method is direct code entry. First, locate the TV button on your Universal remote. This button tells the remote which device you want to control. Most remotes have clearly labeled device buttons. Next, press and hold the Setup or Program button until the LED light turns on. Then enter your Pixel TV code using the number buttons. The LED should turn off when the code is accepted. If the first code doesn't work with your Pixel TV, don't worry. Try other codes listed for Pixel TVs in your manual or code list. Some TV models may require different codes, so testing multiple options is normal and expected. When direct code entry doesn't work, there are alternative programming methods you can try. The automatic search method is often the most effective solution. Another alternative is the manual method, which involves pressing and holding specific buttons until your TV responds. This method works when other approaches fail. If your remote still isn't working, start with basic troubleshooting. First, check that your batteries are fresh and properly installed. Weak batteries are the most common cause of remote control problems. Next, ensure there are no obstructions blocking the infrared sensor on your TV. The remote needs a clear line of sight to communicate with your television. For more persistent issues, try repairing your remote. Press and hold the home and back buttons simultaneously for about 5 seconds until the LED light flashes and then turns solid. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset of your TV. This will restore all settings to default, so you'll need to reconfigure your preferences afterward. Finally, consider using a virtual remote app on your smartphone as a convenient alternative. Many apps can control your Pixel TV and offer additional features beyond traditional remotes.